Alright guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be messing with the small block a little bit, not much, just getting everything set up to start getting it put back together. I'm going to go to O'Reilly's and get stuff to clean the valve springs and everything, and the retainers, because some of them got like paint on them and stuff like that. I'm going to go get the gasket for the valve covers, the bolts to hold the valve covers onto the head, stuff like that. So let's head over to O'Reilly's and get some parts. Alright guys, so I brought this here. I'm going to get some brake cleaner to clean all the springs and everything, valve cover gasket, and then the 2 push rods I said that I ordered, so we can see if they're going to work with stock push rods or if I got to get different ones. So go ahead and get all this and then head back to the house and get to it. Back at the house, just going to go ahead and take all the the valve springs, just spray them down with some brake cleaner just to clean them all up. That's all good and clean, so let's get to the next step. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to take all these off, or it says Chevrolet, or it did. As you know, we're going to have to clean these up, paint them, put a Car Dude Garage sticker on here. So, no hate to the bow tie, you know I'm a GM dude till I die. So, go ahead and clean this up. Go ahead and take it off with the other one as well. Spray some on it, hopefully. No, of course not. Peel it right off. So that's all off. Just get scuffing them up and get some paint on them. Alright guys, so we're going to run up to O'Reilly's real quick and get some scuff pads on to scuff up the valve covers. I thought I had some, but I didn't. So I'm going to run up here, grab that, head back to the house, scuff up the valve covers, get it ready to be painted, and all that. So, see you guys over at O'Reilly's. One red scuff pad. Let's head back to the house. Scuff up them valve covers, lay some paint on them. You know we had to stop and get a bowler pop. Too damn hot, so. Power rating. It's good. Alright guys, so got some scuff paper here. Rip off a little piece of it. And we're going to go ahead and just scuff it up a little bit so the paint will stick to it. So both valve covers are painted, letting this one sit out and dry. Here's the other one, it's already dry, so that looks a lot better to me. So right now what we're going to do is go ahead and start installing the valve stem seals on this. So I'm going to show you guys here how to do all that. But before I do that, I need to run up to O'Reilly's again and get another can of brake cleaner. How much brake cleaner I've gone through? I should have just bought a case. But yeah, when we get back, we'll do these. And that's all I'm going to do on the head. Just install the valve stem seals and paint the valve covers. We'll probably flip the motor around, clean this all up right here with this rust and stuff. I'm not sure. Just want to clean it out, blow it out with the air, stuff like that, so we can get ready to lay the heads on it after I assemble them. So let's go up to O'Reilly's. Would you just look at that? The valve covers look good. Sit on there pretty. You know. So for now, we're gonna go ahead and install the valve stem seals on these. So got some brake cleaner and everything right here. So let's get started on that. Alright, so before I do that, I'm going to go ahead and just spray it down real quick. And go ahead and get your old ones out. Or your new ones, I mean. And you'll take this top ring off before you put them on. Alright. And they pretty much just go over it. Alright, you're going to put oil in it, so let me grab that. I'm just going to use some assembly lube, which will be fine. Just put a little bit in here. Alright. Go ahead and put it down. Down until she's about flush. And that's about it. And then go ahead and take that old ring, pop her back on. Alright, so once that's all on, go ahead and take your pliers. A little bit so that ring locks down that's on here. That's pretty much it. So that's the valve seals all installed and put on. So I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing on this head, but I'm not going to record it because it's the same process. So then after that, we're going to move the heads, flip the block over, and go ahead and start cleaning out the block and all this nasty rust and shit to get it ready to be put the valve covers on, or the head gaskets on, and getting the heads ready to be put on, and then assemble the heads. But you won't see the head assembly in this video. I'll make it another video for that one. But we're going to clean this block. Cleaned up all the maintenance surface. Alright, so cleaned up all the maintenance surface on both ends. Battery's about to die, but all that's all done, cleaned up.